not enough snow this year.
Okay.
Hey, it's running and it's not flooding out. Try it. Find out what's wrong with the starter on the Camo Blazer. The solenoid housing was actually broke, ready to come apart. So I got the swap meet starter that tested good. It was a $20 starter. I found a push button on the shelf. Gonna put this on the Camo Blazer. Also gonna do change the winch on it. The crew cab that all the wiring's coming out of is giving us plenty of wiring to wire in another circuit for the push button. Here's our old cable, which was probably whatever I had laying around back in 2009. It has also seen better days, but it's also, I don't know what gauge this is, but not enough. So we're going to upgrade. And all kinds of other issues that were going on with that. Do a few more things on the Camo Blazer and it should be ready to go. So the green wire goes to where the white wire was. The white wire goes to the green wire. I already did the wiper motor. Already did the starter wiring. We got the winch to check fluids. See, grease all the U-joints and stuff. So today we're going to go on a little late season snow run. Snow's melted down a lot in the last week, but we're not going to go too far because we got one rig on street tires, but we'll go see what's left. size street tires. So usually the theory is try to go slow and crawl to snow, but sometimes you just gotta open it up and have some fun, I guess. Say the 4Runner's probably not going to make it past here, so I think this might be our turnaround point for the day.
Cool. You ride it.
I think it's that engine's smoking quite a bit.
Yeah. What happened?
It's well, it's been sitting a long time, and then that engine's been in there for, well, at least since 2010 probably.
2010, 2025 now.
So it's like, yeah, 15 years old.
Yeah.
Let's get up here.
And we're just gonna turn around here and head back. Okay, everyone do a cheer that says there's not enough snow this year.
Okay, on when?
1, 2, when?
Not enough snow this
There's
year!
not enough snow this year.
Yeah, there's not. There's just enough to blind us because it's really bright out.